Hello everybody, Neon Queen here, and today we're going to be unwrapping some LOL balls. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like if you want me to continue doing stuff like this. And we do have a special guest today, and Eliana, come on, say hi.
Hello.
Okay, should we show them what we're going to be unboxing or unwrapping? LOL Winter Disco. They just came out, I feel like. I believe they just came out. And do you have any of these yet? I have this one, but I did not get her from the ball. So here's what's on the back. It comes with their outfit and an accessory and a pop. And what looks to be a present, a brush, and a few other things. And I love the little snowman barcode. Isn't that so cute?
Broken hotkey, something, pop, crown, glasses, shoes, present.
Yeah, you can get a lot. You can get a lot from here.
Bottle, dress.
There's 15 surprises.
Wait. Why does it look like 11? I did too.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wait, what? You're right, 11. I guess because it only shows 11. Okay, I guess we're going to have to see the other, and then at the end we can count. Okay, let's get started and start unwrapping.
Yay.
Do you know how to unwrap that part? You got to grab by the zipper.
Oh, zipper.
Here. I'll get it.
How did you do that?
Give you a little head start. Have you ever even? Okay.
I helped you with that. Yeah. I don't know what I did.
There you go. You can continue.
I see it.
Oh my gosh, what color is your ball? Like pink and gold?
I'm seeing it. I'm seeing it.
Oh, mine is also pink and gold. Ooh, okay. Here is some stickers. I got a present, a tree, confetti, and a snowflake.
How did you do that?
You got to keep unwrapping, all right, Eliana.
How do I?
Okay. And I think I'm about to get my first clue. Yep, I just got my first clue. Nope, I did not. I think I'm hallucinating. Is this it? Okay,
Wait.
I don't know.
That's two things. Wait, no, that's just an LOL dress.
Okay.
I don't get how you're doing that.
I ripped my clue! Oh my gosh, that was odd. Okay.
Okay, I need help.
Ooh, it shows Posh on here, so
How are you
she's an
doing that?
option. Here, I'll do it for you. It's kind of hard. You have to, each time you have to get at the zipper. And then you keep going. Okay, now I'm like,
That is not. I see.
you see a little bit of wrapping? Okay. Oh no, this isn't a clue. Oh my gosh, I thought this was the clue. It's not though. It's like instructions. Did my clue fall out? No. Maybe it's inside. Well, I have my contraption. I will help you out. We don't start on this time. Now you gotta keep going with the zipper. And then she got the same thing I did. And then
Present, snowflake, party, and Christmas tree. Wait, what? Wait. Present, snowflake, party, and Christmas tree.
yeah. Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Instructions.
Now, Liana, let's pop it. 3, like pull the zipper thing. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Wait, what? How did
You have to
you?
pull it, and then there. Okay, we have to keep our things separate. Should we should not open up our first thing yet. Ooh, here is my clue. tea time. Oh my gosh, I might get an Alice in Wonderland thing. Okay, Eliana, you gotta.
Oh, I found one.
Okay, you gotta scooch closer. Oh, we got the same thing. Oh no, we might get the same LOL. Okay, Eliana, you gotta scooch closer.
Can we please start unwrapping?
Yes, but you gotta scooch.
Okay.
Okay, so
I
here are some of the people we
already
can.
unwrapped it. I know who I'm getting.
Okay, so here's some of the people we can get.
I know who. Wait.
There's a bunch of these guys I want.
I know which one I got.
Which one did
Wait
you
a
get?
minute. I have her. Wait, let me.
Wait a second, you didn't get any of them. That's an option. Oh no, you got her.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so Eliana, please show her to the camera and scooch everything this way.
No. I think you might get her.
I might. I don't know. I can get some. So since
Wig.
she got something from the Chill Out Club, I'm probably gonna get something from that club. So I might get one of those for her. Let's see here. I'm not gonna go straight and open up the LOL yet. I'm gonna open up her accessories. So I'm gonna start with her purse.
I'm doing this first.
Same.
Yeah.
Her purse. This is so cute. I love it. Oh my gosh, like a plaid.
Ooh, accessories for.
Okay, show them to the
she
camera.
has a phone. She has a phone. A tiny phone.
Yeah, she has a tiny phone. What else? She also has like a bottle of something.
Now, Will.
Okay,
Yes.
we have the same LOL. Oh my gosh. A phone,
The same purse. Look.
bottle, and another bottle of something.
Look.
My phone is ran down. Jeez, she really uses it a lot. Like,
Let me see.
like look at that.
Oh. My phone is not. But I'm not giving.
Aha! You're not giving.
Look. The purse and the stuff.
Yes. Okay, so we obviously have the same LOL. I'm gonna open up her hat.
Now, what's this?
I'll show you what to do with that one.
Oh, we have the exact.
Oh my gosh, this is the cutest
We
hat.
have the exact same.
Okay, my stuff is definitely out of shape. A lot. Okay.
I'm glad I got mine.
Ah, where's my LOL? I
Where's
can't
the
find.
rest of mine as well?
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, here's my doll and let's open. Yup, same one. And
Hey.
she's a color changer. We have
Where's
color
her
changers.
dress?
Okay.
Wait.
Yeah, so we
wait,
do have the
wait.
same LOL, which is totally fine.
Where is
Her dress. Oh yeah. We forgot. We also have to open up these little contraptions. But you have to press these buttons to open. These two are mine. Okay. Let's see here. Oh my gosh. This is so tiny. Okay, so here's her bottle.
Ooh,
So cute.
Some shoes and glasses.
Oh my gosh. So here are her shoes. They're so cute. She also has, she comes with little mini mittens.
Oh, mittens.
And then here are her glasses. Adorable. She has everything. This LOL is awesome. Just awesome.
Oh, I have a cousin.
Okay. Now we have to open the top contraption and
We
press
have
the
this one.
button.
Oh, I wonder what's in here. Her bottle. Wait, another bottle. Oh,
You didn't get a bottle
tiny
yet.
bottle.
And then here is her dress. It's the cutest little
Oh,
detective
is that
winter
in here?
outfit ever. Yeah, you have to press the button. That's so cute. Okay.
Oh, and there's winter stuff even.
Yeah. Okay, let's put her. I'm gonna start putting her outfit on.
Oh,
I've not.
dress.
Her under outfit is also really cute. And she's a color changer, which is awesome.
Yeah, it has so much color changes.
I don't have that many. Okay, I'm gonna put on her little shoes. her outfit, like when it's all put together, I feel like it's just like perfect.
How are you doing that?
Do you
With
need
the dress?
help with the dress? Okay. Oh my gosh, she's like a little detective queen with her little.
Wig. I call it a wig.
I call it a hat. Her gloves. That is really hard to believe that we got the same one though. Okay. So that's what she looks like when her outfit's all put together.
And mine is just
Almost put together.
everything's in her purse.
Ah!
She's emptying her purse.
She's emptying her purse. Okay. So. Oh, yeah. So next thing, we have the little presents. Here, Eliana, can I have her?
Oh, mini purse. Yes, you can have it for now.
Okay. I'm just gonna open it up for you. So here's how you do it. You have to do it like that, like a box. You've got to close these two flaps, and then these two also. Then you're gonna
Present.
presents, yes, that you can use for Christmas time. Nothing's in them though, which is extremely sad. But we just got LOL, so yeah. And then here should be the end result.
Could I have some help with
The shoes,
no, not the shoe.
the glove,
Mittens.
the mittens. That's a shoe.
I know.
Where's the other mitten? That's mine, that's mine, that's mine, that's mine. I'm about to do yours. Where's her other mitten?
Mitten.
Do you know how to put her shoes on?
No. I can't believe what we just got because I knew LLs. Do you know what I mean? She even got a purse.
I actually have a lot from this winter set already that did not come in the balls yet. I have Dollface that came with Dolly. I have her and her too. And then Eliana has her,
Let me
her
see.
and her.
Yep.
I do have her.
Wait, let me see. I have her,
And now her, but like before.
her, and
You have her?
no, that one that you
Oh, yeah,
just
yeah.
showed.
Son. Yeah, this winter set comes with a lot of cool ones. That before
But
it was
I
really
kinda
hard
wish
to
I
get
got
them.
midnight. It's midnight.
Oh my gosh.
Wait.
We could have gotten midnight. I'm so disappointed.
Which?
Her name is Big City BB.
Ooh, big city. Wait,
What?
what's her name? I really want to know.
Sugar Queen?
Horse?
Bosch. I really wish I got...
Snow Angel!
I have Snow Angel.
Yeah, she was in the LL Winter Disco show.
And then here you go. We need to keep our stuff separate though, so we don't get them mixed up.
I want to see if anything else was in. Just Snow Angel? Wait! Midnight! Midnight Snow Angel one now.
Yeah, midnight.
Wait, Dolly! Dolly was also
I'm
in there.
Dollface. I'm
Dollface.
disappointed we didn't get midnight.
No!
Wow, but whatever.
I'm disappointed I did not get. Huh?
Ice BB. Ice BB. Yeah, she's pretty. But the good thing we did get ones we like, right? Do you like yours? That's mine. That's mine. You happy with it? Eliana, are you happy with it?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, wait. There's one more thing we forgot to show. And it's little tags, like gifts for the little presents.
I made it.
Where's mine? That's right here. And they're for the little presents. That's
I
adorable.
need to sign it.
Okay, well, wait, Liliana, wait. Okay, well, I think that's it for today. Bye, everyone. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a nice day. And bye.